everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, I'm going to show you the behind the scene preparation of the data I used for the last lecture. What I did for the data of the last lecture of the dissolve tool. What actually did. So this is the data. This is the attribute. So the metadata. When I downloaded this metadata, or when this metadata was downloaded, we have this. So we created we created a new field. If you can look at this table here, you see this field here, the name of the field, all an R in uppercase, and it's only this state geo ID are in lowercase. So this field was created from this field here. This was the original data. We created this field here. And why we created this field is we wanted to get this the ID of the ID of the county state here, the ID of the county state here, to be able to dissolve, to use this to dissolve our future. So because we need that the ID of all the states to dissolve. So we need the ID alone to be able to dissolve the future. If you look at this here, that is a name, the name of the states here. You see them here. They are all here long list of the name of the state of the United States. So we need just the ID, which are just the two digit 0101. You can see it here. So a new field was created here from this field. So how do we do that? That is what I want to show you right now in this lecture. So we did that by dissolving the field. Okay, using the field calculator, and also the Python tool called slicing. So we just like we took this, and then we took the two field and did it using these two procedure, the field calculator and the Python tool called slicing. So we want to demonstrate that now. So we start by we created a new field. This is a new field, so we're going to give it a name. Like the name should be like the state. Let's say state. ID. My ID will be in uppercase, just to make a difference from all the fields that are here. And then let's see what type of field we will get the text field, and let's see the length of the text should be 2, and then we click OK. So, okay, great, we've gotten a field now. So now let's look at this. The next step is how to use the Python tool to get the text out. So we right click and we say field. We go to field calculator. No, I'm coming. 1 minute. Let's pause. Okay, so let's try again. So this is the new field I just created. So let's try again, and then we go to field calculator. We click it, and this is the dialog box, the field calculator dialog box. So we shift from the parcel VB script to the Python tool here, and so we quickly go ahead to click on to highlight this Joe ID here, and we are using the Python sliding syntax right now. So we go ahead to use the syntax right now. How to do it? We put the bracket here, and have a full column, and we get back to putting a digit 0, and the next digit is 2. Okay, what we say is that in this slicing syntax of Python is we are saying that we take this column here and slide it to the first 2 digits here, that's 0 and 1 here, the first 2 digits, and we don't put the third digit to create the field. So that is just